long to get to know about me. I'll start with my name, my age, my height, my gender identity, and my favorite game. This is where I live now, and this is where I'm from. Here's what I do for work, and what I hope to become. Here's a guilty pleasure and a pet peeve, and something I like, a goal that I hope one day to achieve. And can I ride a bike? My favorite place I've been to, and a place I wanna go. My favorite time of year, and my favorite TV show. Here's a random fact you might not guess. Surprise! A thing that brings me joy and brings me stress. I really try to avoid that. I have this many siblings, that's the size of my shoe. And I hope you'll use this song to let everybody get to know you.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow bow bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow bow bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.
No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now download the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
And drink it with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only here to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way.
耳元でそっと何か言ったの。ただここでそっと流す涙。Цай, ариба победила, парит стандилан, деландо, пари пакта, пари, пари, бири, 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 станделандо, я барила, стеландейло, аравара, вара, 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 вадивилу, бари, станлен, стенландо, падака, дака, 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 дейло. Цай, ариба победила, парит стандилан, деландо, пари пакта, пари, пари, бири, 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 станделандо.
It goes on and on and on.
Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone.
I get a good feeling. Dreaming about the things that we could be.
So it's gonna be forever. You already know.
That's a real me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late now to say I need a one dance? And then we start to dancing.
I'm Stan and I was wrong. 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 I'm Stan and I was wrong.
What gender are you? Male? Attracted to You prankster! You silly! Still male though.
And you want me to change? Fuck you!
I just can't date a dude, but I can't just date a dude, but I just date a dude, but I just date, but I just can't date. When we fell in love, you made my heart.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ready to head into the unknown?
Nope. Let's do it.
Send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round.
Barely can wait to hit him with the snare and the bass, wearing the face. This better prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my
You know that I'm at an all-time trying hard.
Then I realized something's wrong. I think that that's my teacher. What the fuck is going on? Wait, hold it. I just had a fucking bruh moment.
Spinning like a ballerina.
The power's out again. Oh, don't worry. I got this. What? Swallow the flashlight. Why would you? Because I can.
Light it up from Hollywood to Mohali, to Tesher and Derulo, it's a worldwide party. I know that you wanna get crazy, crazy.
Fuck you, and especially fuck you.
There are times when I will. It's my birthday! Ta-da!
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracopter, paracopter.
You can clearly tell who's the attractive silly here.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her eyeballs were plucked out. Her eyebrows were then waxed. Her hair was cut off.
Jingle bell, jingle bell. So I'll give myself a name, something stupid and pretentious like Maud spelled with the C. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
So I just cut a bunch of onions for French onion soup, and my cat came down, and she's also crying because of the onions. And so we're just two crying bitches with this onion air. Go upstairs!
Keep your eyes closed. I have a surprise.
Did you do the dishes?
I said surprise, not miracle.
Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me
Bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking, falling onto my knees.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy.
Hell, you are my best friend. If I'm dying, you dying with me. Ain't no choice.
Oh no, your parents kicked you out. You have to live with your 7th picture.
I am leaving, and you can't stop me. I'm packing my bags.
Mi corazón, con flores, te llevaste mi tristeza con colores.
Are you ready?
Who's the toughest person you know?
Raven,
Who's the toughest man person you know?
you're the toughest man person I know.
Argue with me.
But you're wrong.
Don't argue with me.
But you're wrong.
That's why you're the slowest in your class.
That's
bro.
why you don't have a girlfriend.
I'm about to end your whole career. You know Santa Claus isn't real, right?
What?
Right.
What?
Exactly.
Why would you say that?
No, because she had it coming.
Why would you talk
She
like
had it
that?
coming. No, don't call mom now.
Emergency assistance, this is Trina.
Well, we lost our baby in the car and people are judging us.
I swear to God, I'm gonna break it!
Do not break the window, you'll get glass on her.
Sir, please tell your wife to relax. Everything is going to be okay.
That's a man.
Really?
Don't worry, Lily! Lily, Daddy's coming for you!
Sir, we just sent the signal. The door should be unlocked now.
Check the door. Check the door. Check the door.
It's not unlocked! Oh.
Okay.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game.
Look at where we are.
Somewhere in the world there is a father and a mother, and the father is a son who has a mother. The mother has a daughter who gets married to the brother of a mother, and they all just trying to multiply with one another. 'Cause that's just the way of the world. It never ends till the end, and you start again. That's just the way of the world. That's just the way of the world. Somewhere in the world they think they're working for themselves. They get up every day to go to work for someone else, and somebody works for them, and so they think they got it made. But they're all just working to get paid the very same, and so they keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dad-dum. They're gonna keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dad-dum-dum. And so they keep on twiddling them